Winter is coming and your skin is the first to always feel it, isn't it? Well, come winter, skin begins to feel so dry, itchy and super stretched, and one of the most obvious skincare products that we reach out to at this time of the year is the moisturizer. But you know what? Don't just pick out the first moisturizer that you find. Hey guys, I'm Kavya and today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 picks when it comes to winter skincare, and these are fabulous moisturizers that are not only going to help you battle dry skin but will also leave your skin super soft, supple and glowing. But before we go ahead, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the Be Beautiful channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you know every single time we upload a new video. So to begin with, I have picked out 5 moisturizers that will help you fight dryness, flaky skin, flare-ups, irritation and redness and itchy patches. So the first moisturizer that I'm going to be talking about is the Lakme Peach Milk Ultra Light Gel 24-Hour Moisture Lock. Now this moisturizer is infused with the benefits of peaches and milk. The gel has a light pink color and is super lightweight. Just gonna take some at the back of my hand and show you guys. Like you can see, the texture is not too thick and not too runny, making it great to lock in moisture. What I absolutely also love about this product is the really delightful peachy fragrance that it has. If you are into fruity fragrances, chances are that you are absolutely going to be obsessed with this moisturizer. It's lightweight, has a really nice smooth texture and blends it so seamlessly, making it a great pick to use before wearing your makeup. While this moisturizer is great for all skin types, it is a particularly good choice if you have oily skin, because it is not going to leave your skin super greasy or oily after application. The best part is that it leaves my skin super velvety smooth and gives me such a radiant glow. It also retails at Rs 150 for 65 grams, making it pretty affordable. The next moisturizer is the Pond's Moisturizing Cold Cream. Now the Pond's Cold Cream always reminds me of the ad Googly Woogly Whoosh, and I know I can't be the only one. So what I love about this moisturizer is that it has a really nice soft and creamy consistency, and it also smells so good that I can't stop sniffing it every time I reach out to this moisturizer to apply. This moisturizer is also super nourishing and protects your skin, so if you in particular have severely dry skin, this is the moisturizer for you. The main ingredient in this cold cream is glycerin, which actually helps repair your skin from within, leaving you with super soft skin on the inside and a natural glow on the outside. Retails at Rs 140 for 100 ml, and it's actually quite a good deal at this rate. Next up is the Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer. Now this is my new favorite moisturizer because it has the perfect blend of multivitamins and skin-loving ingredients that leave my skin feeling super replenished and with an added kick of moisture for up to 12 hours. It is non-comedogenic, non-allergic and is dermatologically tested. The consistency of this moisturizer is semi-thick, which makes it super easy to apply, and while this is a rich moisturizer, it definitely will not leave your skin feeling super sticky, greasy or oily. This one is designed specially for sensitive skin, but it is a great pick for all skin types. It retails at Rs 385 for 125 ml, but trust me, this one is worth every single penny. When it comes to mild and moisturizing skincare and bath and body products, my vote definitely goes to Dove. And this winter you can totally opt for the Dove Deep Moisturization Cream. This moisturizer is white in color and is moderately thick. It also has this really nice, yummy whipped cream kind of consistency, which almost makes me want to eat it. Just kidding. It is not dense or oily and absorbs into the skin really well, locking in the moisture. It also has a really nice and faint floral fragrance, which is very similar to the Dove soap. And I personally love a good fragrance that can instantly relax me, and this one fits the bill perfectly. This moisturizer will lock in moisture for a good 24 hours and will deeply nourish your skin. It's suitable for all skin types and it retails at Rs 199 for 150 ml. And finally, I have one of the most trusted moisturizer brands, and with me is the Vaseline Coco Glow Moisturizing Cream. When it comes to moisturizers, body lotions, lip care, Vaseline never lets me down. I especially love all the products, and come winter, I always turn to this brand when my skin needs that intense boost of moisturization. Now moving back to this product, this cream is white in color and has a really nice creamy texture which is not very heavy or very thick. It has a delicious fragrance and it smells like warm cocoa, which makes me crave all things chocolate. This moisturizer is infused with the benefits of shea butter and cocoa butter, which actually forms a barrier on your skin, keeping it hydrated and moisturized for way longer. It suits all skin types and it retails at Rs 160 for 150 ml, making it actually super affordable. So that's it guys. I really hope this video was super helpful for you guys to help pick out the right moisturizer this winter. Do let me know in the comments below which is that one moisturizer that you swear by. And before signing off, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so that you know every single time there is a new video on this channel.